Soft buns stuffed with peanut chutney and vegetable filling. It's perfect for lunch, dinner, or even a meal prep. In a bowl, add 7 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1.5 tablespoons of yeast. Gradually add water and knead into a smooth dough. Coat it with a bit of oil, cover, and let it rise for about an hour or until it slowly springs back when pressed. Once ready, divide the dough into 10 pieces. Roll them up, flatten them slightly into a long shape, then roll each piece into a bun. Place them seam side down in a baking tray, cover and let them rise again. Brush on a mixture of garlic milk and egg yolk and bake at 180 degrees Celsius until golden and fluffy. For the non-spicy peanut chutney, blend together 3 tablespoons of yogurt, a handful of coriander, 3 to 4 tablespoons of peanuts, 6 garlic cloves, and a pinch of salt. In a bowl, mix 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 3 tablespoons of ketchup, 3 tablespoons of cream, half a lemon, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and a pinch of salt. Add in shredded cabbage and carrots. It's about half a head of cabbage and 1 carrot. Mix well until everything is evenly coated. Now assemble your buns. Slice each one open from the side, spread the peanut chutney inside, add the creamy veggie filling, and top with slices of pepperoni. And there you have it! Soft golden garlic buns packed with creamy peanut flavor and a crunchy veggie mix. Perfectly balanced, beautifully textured, and absolutely irresistible.